Hey guys, this is going to be a video to help you to understand a bit about me. My name is Violet Rivera. First, I like helping people. And so everything that I can do towards helping more and more people to do better in life, I'm interested in that. So YouTube was presented to me as a way that I could help more people to do better, because I could put videos out and then instead of one person in my office getting my help, maybe 10 people get it at the same time, or 100 people get it at the same time, or 1,000 people get it at the same time. So right away, that was very intriguing and interesting to me. Now, why do I talk about physical health? Why do I talk about weight loss? Why do I talk about metabolic issues? You'd be surprised how often that the reason people end up in front of me in my office is because of those reasons. Being physically healthy is directly related to being emotionally, psychologically healthy as well, because the things that you eat influence your biology and so therefore influence your brain chemistry. But not only that, in our society, the way that you look matters. And so therefore, the way that people look and the way that they feel about how they look affects their ability to be happy in life. So on a very practical, work-related reason why I'm doing what I'm doing, yeah, that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. Is it the only reason that I'm doing what I'm doing? Well, no, of course not. There's another reason. This weight loss journey that most people have been on, I've also ended up on. No, so let me be clear about that. I've never endorsed dieting. I still don't endorse dieting. The quote unquote dieting to lose weight, I don't endorse it. I really do believe that when you diet to lose weight, you're not going to keep that weight off. What I do endorse is healthy lifestyle change that you know that you can continue to do well into your future so that you can have a healthier, happier life. Because that healthy, happier life will lead to psychological stability and happiness, because you'll be dealing with the food issues rather than hiding or pushing away the food issues. So I don't believe in dieting. What I do believe is giving people the true information that they need to improve their lives, to be happier and healthier, and do the things that will ultimately lead them to better manage psychologically all the way around, right? Because if I feel good and I can get out there in life and do the things that I want to do, so play with my kids, do whatever sports I like to do, go for walks, even just make it from my home to work, feeling good. If I can do the things that really matter to me, my life is going to be that much easier and that much happier. Making these videos gives me the opportunity to help many, many people. So when people ask me why I'm doing what I'm doing and what I want you to know when you come to my channel, I really do want them to understand that your health and wellness is something that it's mind-blowing that we don't put enough attention into, that we should be focusing on this. I really do want everyone out there to be a wellness warrior. I really do want us to put all of our time, energy, effort into our health and our wellness, and making sure that on a daily basis, I'm happy with the way I feel. On a daily basis, I'm fueling myself properly. On a daily basis, I'm engaging in social things to help my psychological side be positive as well, that I'm doing things for me, so this channel focuses on all of that. I want to thank you for watching Mind-Blowing Health and Wellness with Violet. I look forward to talking to you in the next video, and the next video, and the next video, because I plan for this channel to be around for a long time. And I really, really hope that you plan to be around here too, so that we can share information together. So get busy in the comments, talk to each other. That's what this is all about. I want to create a community. I want all of my wellness warriors to be able to come together and talk about anything that happens in your life. Talking about the good stuff, talking about the difficult stuff. Let's work together to have a happier life. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.